video you can learn how to migrate or move WordPress site. Having logged into GoDaddy cPanel account, we need to head to cPanel settings page, where all the applications are located. In cPanel settings page, we need to click WordPress applications under Web Application section. Next, we need to go to WordPress site page where all my WordPress sites are installed. Here, we need to select and click the clone icon of the WordPress site, which we need to migrate or move to a different site or directory in the same hosting account. Next, in the first field we need to select the website domain, if we have more than one domain in our hosting account. And next, here we have the option to type in a directory or subdomain name, in which we can migrate the WordPress site. If we leave this field blank, the site will be migrated or moved into the main website domain. And let's continue. The migration process has began, all the files are being cloned into the other site. We can confirm the site has been copied by visiting the site. And done successfully. With this we have come to the end of this video process. Please like or comment and share my video if you liked it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you found video helpful.